Welcome to our guide on enabling Data Saver on X, Twitter, for a more data-efficient experience. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. Once you're in, tap on your profile picture located at the top left of the screen. This action will lead you to the next step. Next, select Setting and Support to access the Settings menu. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy to further customize your experience. Now, navigate to Accessibility, Display, and Languages, and tap on it to explore additional options. Look for Data Usage and tap on it to delve deeper. Within the Data Usage section, you'll find the option to turn on Data Saver. Simply toggle this on to optimize your data usage while using the X app. By following these steps, you can easily enable Data Saver on X, Twitter, to help conserve your data and enhance your overall user experience. Enjoy a more efficient browsing experience while staying connected on Twitter.